ways, 4 of those. And the restarts, you can almost hear it in the song. So let's try it. Let's learn the steps first and then put it to music. Thank you for joining me and Demi today. We really appreciate it. We want line dancing to be fun in your life. It's very regional. So this is, we do a lot of dancing here in Southern California. So I hope this helps you here in this region. And when you go out and see dances, that you'll see them done the way you're going to see on this video today, so that you feel comfortable and confident and just have fun. You can't make a mistake as long as you just keep having fun and trying. So this is called Heartache on the Dance Floor. Click subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and any comments, any dances you'd like to learn, I'd love to feature them for you on this channel. Just give me a comment. So let's start. I'm just going to turn the light on. So we're going to start with Heartache on the Dance Floor, the first 8. The first, and you start with weight on left. So we're going to start with our right foot, and there are 2 walks, yay. So walk, walk, going forward. 2 walks, and then a triple step with your right, triple step, a cross rock with your left, rock, and when you recover, you do a quarter turn to the 9 o'clock wall and do a triple step. Yeah, let's put that together. So it starts with 2 walks, 1, 2, triple step, cross, recover, triple step. So the 2 walks, triple step with the right, cross with the left, recover, and do a quarter turn over your left shoulder with your left foot and do a triple step. Triple step. Good. So let's put that to counts. 5, 6, first 8, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. One more time with counts. We're going to start going forward with the right foot with just 2 walks, a triple step, a cross, recover, triple step to the 9 o'clock wall. One more time. 5, 6, 7 with words. Walk, walk, triple step right, left, triple step left. Okay, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. First 8. Yay. Let's see. And remember, you can't make a mistake. Just have fun. So now we're going to cross with the right, the second 8. We're going to cross rock with the right, cross. We're going to step out. We're not going to recover. We're going to recover with the left foot going left with a sway. So we just did our triple step to finish our last of the first 8. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's I'll let you see it better. So we're going to cross with our right foot and sway with our left. Cross, sway, sway, sway. So it's cross with the right, sway left, sway right, sway left. So cross, sway left, sway right, sway left. Good. One more time. Second 8. Starts with a cross. Cross, step into a sway, sway, sway. Then we're going to cross with the right foot, cross, recover, and a triple step to the right with the right foot. Yeah, lots of triple steps and crosses. So let's try it with words one more time, the second 8, and then with counts. 5, 6, 7. Get ready to cross. Cross, sway left, sway right, sway left, cross, rock, triple step. So we're still at this wall. We're at the 9 o'clock wall. So the counts go like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. One more time with counts, and then we'll put the first 2 8 together. And remember, because it is YouTube, you can stop, rewind, and practice any little spots that you would like to try again. So second 8 from the top with a cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Let's put those first 2 together. We started our 12 o'clock wall, weight on left, 2 easy walks with our right. From the top, 5, 6 with words, 7, 8. Walk, walk, triple step, cross, turn, triple step, cross, sway, 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 cross, and triple step. Okay, with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Okay, 2 more 8s. We do another cross now with our left foot. A cross, rock, triple step. So cross, rock with the left, triple step with the left. Good. One more time. So we just finished our sway, 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 cross with the right, triple step. Now we do it the left, cross, triple step. Good. Then we do a half turn over our left shoulder into a triple step with our right. Triple step, a full half turn. Okay, let's try that again. So we just did our cross, sway, 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 cross, triple step, new 8, cross with the left, step, triple step, another triple step to the right with the right foot, but we're turning it a full half turn. Okay, one more time. The third 8. So we just did cross, sway, 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 cross, and triple step. Next 8. Cross, step, triple step, another triple step. Good. And all we do is rock back, back, step. Good. That's the second 8. So, sway, 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 cross, new 8. Cross and triple step, another one, half turning, rock back, recover. Good. Okay, with counts. So we're going to start with our left rock. So we just did our sway, 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 cross, rock with our right, and a triple step with our right, so our left foot's free. So cross and triple step, another one, triple step, rock back, recover. Okay, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's put those 3 together. From the top, with words and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get ready to walk, walk, walk. Triple step, cross. Triple step, cross. Sway, 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 cross. Triple step, cross. Triple step, triple step. Rock back, recover. Okay, with counts. From the top, right foot's ready to walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. And practice and muscle memory make all the difference for sure. Okay, the last with the left. The last 8 is the left point, right point, forward, rock, recover, and then a coaster with the left foot. Coaster step. Right? So let's try that. So the last 8, point, step, rock, recover, coaster step with the left. So the left foot does the mambo and a coaster step. So it just goes left, right, left, right, left, or you could say forward, step, back, back, step. Forward, step, back, back, forward. And then you're ready to start again with the right foot. Walk, walk. Okay, let's put that together. So from the top, with words and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, triple step. Cross and turning triple. Rock, sway, sway, sway. Rock and triple step. Rock and triple step. Right triple step. Rock, recover. Point, step, rock, and coaster step. Good. Okay, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Should we try with some music? And remember, there are 2 restarts, wall 2 and wall 9, and a tag on wall 5, and the tag is just 4 sways. Right. Let's try it with the music, and you'll hear you'll hear the first restart, so I'll call it out. It's very pretty, I think. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, triple step, rock. Triple step, cross, sway, 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 cross. Triple step, cross. Triple step, rock back. Point, point, rock. Coaster step again, walk. Triple step, rock. Triple step, rock. Cross. Triple step. Here we go again. Walk, walk, triple step, rock. Triple step, cross, sway, 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 cross. Triple step, cross. Triple step, another one. Triple step, rock back. Point, point, rock. Coaster step. Triple step, rock. Triple step, cross, sway, 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 cross. Triple step, cross. Triple step, rock back, point. Rock, coaster step. Okay, that's it. Thank you for joining Demi and I for Heartache on the Dance Floor. I think it's such a pretty song. I know you'll enjoy it. They're doing it in the clubs right now, especially here in Southern California. Please click subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, right? And come back and see us again. Bye.